Hey everyone! Welcome back to our English learning channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to brush up on your skills, today's video is perfect for you. We're going to cover more than 55 simple sentences that you can use every day. So, grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive in. Section 1. Greetings and introductions.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What's your name?
My name is Lara.
Where are you from?
I'm from India.
How old are you?
I'm 26 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
I work as a teacher.
I'm learning English.
It's nice to see you again.
Have a great day.
These sentences will help you start any conversation with confidence. Now, let's move on to something even more practical, sentences for everyday situations. Section 2. At home. Next, let's talk about sentences you can use at home. I'm getting up. I'm getting up. I need to brush my teeth. I need to brush my teeth. What's for breakfast?
I'm making coffee. Can you pass the salt?
The food is delicious. I'm going to take a shower. I'm going to take a shower. Let's watch some TV. Let's watch some TV. I'm cleaning the house. Where is the remote? The laundry is done. I'm going to bed. Can you close the door? I need to charge my phone. Please turn off the lights. The Wi-Fi isn't working. Can you help me? Let's order some food. The weather is nice today. I'm reading a book. These sentences will make your daily routine in English feel a lot easier. Next up, let's see how you can use English outside the house. Section 3. Shopping and eating out. Now, imagine you're out shopping or eating at a restaurant. These sentences will come in handy.
Can I try this on? Do you have this in another size? How much does this cost? Where is the fitting room? I'll take this, please. Do you have any discounts? Can I pay by card? Where is the nearest ATM? Can I get a receipt? I'd like to order, please. What do you recommend?
Can I have the menu, please?
Do you have vegetarian options? Is this dish spicy? I'm allergic to nuts. Can I have some water, please? The bill, please. Could I get this to go? Keep the change. The food was amazing.
With these sentences, you'll feel more comfortable and confident when you're out and about. And there you have it, more than 55 greetings and introduction simple sentences that you can use in your daily life. Remember, the key to learning English is practice, so try to use these sentences whenever you can. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share it with your friends for more great content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.